Bitcoin is about to get a stunning move here in the next couple of days potentially, and I'm gonna show you by the end of the video where I found this hidden bullish divergence that you see already in this thumbnail. But we of course have also to talk about the shorter time frames here and what is actually happening there, because they are a little bit conflicting with that bullish divergence that I have found. So if you think that's interesting, then make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit also the notification bell so to never miss out on these important updates. And now let's dive directly into the charts here. So here on the daily chart is happening exactly what I was telling you guys yesterday about, that the stochastic RSI is coming here to the top of its limitations, where we potentially go now here into overbought conditions. And we also see here a potential fake out on the MACD, where the trend line goes over the signal line, is printing a green candle, but most likely will roll over and will continue this downwards momentum here on the MACD, where we see a lot of more red candles before this is getting smaller, and we see then again a green outcome on the MACD for Bitcoin, which will of course put buy pressure then also on Bitcoin and get into higher prices. But with what I'm seeing here right now on the daily chart, we have to be prepared that the Bitcoin price is coming back into this support range here of 15,500 all the way up to 16,200. So, and of course, if we are breaking this support range, then we will go way lower. I will show you that in a second on another chart, what my targets are for that. So, but I'm pretty convinced that we will come back into this support range and either hopefully find support there and we just go sideways into a small accumulation phase and then break up again, so, or potentially even break lower. So when we are going here to the 1 hourly time frame, we can see already why I believe that we potentially go here lower. So, and that is this bearish rising wedge that we are seeing here on the chart, where we have already broken down from. So, and now when we're looking at it, Bitcoin is sitting at potentially the last level of support before we breaking to the downside. So, and that is at $16,400 approximately, $16,460. So because we can see that this was support here, here, there, and also here before we broke under the support. So now we broke here above, sorry, that was resistance, of course, all the way, no, support here, and then flipped into resistance until we broke here above that support resistance flip line. So now we have multiple times retested this support already, which will make it weaker and weaker the more we test this level. So by the next retest of it, we could potentially see a fall through that level and go all the way down to the technical target, which would be by textbook all the way down here at $15,650. So, and that would be really bad for Bitcoin in the immediate short term, because when we go back here to the daily chart, so we would be then sitting at the bottom of our support range here on the daily chart. So, and that of course will also weaken it, and we could see a potential lower move for Bitcoin in the next coming days. When we are looking on the higher time frames, we see that we have here now the hidden bullish divergence that I was talking about, where we are creating lower lows on the weekly time frame, and on the RSI we are creating higher lows. So, and that is by definition a hidden bullish divergence. So, and that has of course to play out at some point. I don't expect this to be happening this week. So, but it could potentially be the next week or the week after that where we see this actually happening. But like I said, that could potentially not prevent us from dropping actually lower here along that line, where you see already the next touch point, if we don't fall through that downward sloping support line that we have right now, would be already at $14,900. So, and if we extrapolate that a little bit lower, so then you see this could go all the way down to potentially even $13,800. So these are levels most of you guys don't want to see because you are already invested in Bitcoin. So, but it will also give for a lot of people out there a massive buying opportunity to buy Bitcoin under $15,000. And I am actually going to sell my Ferrari in the next 2 weeks to buy as many Bitcoins as I can, and I will prove it also to you guys. The car is right now downstairs. It came back from the service, and as soon as I have time next week, I will try to sell this car as fast as possible to put that money back into Bitcoin, and I will show you then the proof that I bought quite a lot of Bitcoin with that car. So just that you know, I bought that car around for 8 Bitcoin, but now if I sell it now, I will get over 30 Bitcoin if I around 26 to 28 Bitcoin, so almost 4 times the amount of Bitcoins that I paid for the car. So and that's why you see profit taking is really important. Also reinvesting is really important, because I will sit with a massive bigger amount of Bitcoins than what I actually paid for the car for, and then in the next bull run I can sell again the Bitcoins, buy a new car, and rinse and repeat that whole process. So, but now when we come back here to the chart, so on the lower time frames, of course, we can potentially take here a trade once we are breaking the support level of $16,460. There we can potentially short all the way down to at least $15,900 or even lower to $15,600. That will be my take profit points for this specific short position. And if you want to trade that position with me, guys, don't forget on BYBIT you still get $30,000 absolutely for free for signing up on BYBIT with my specific link here. If you deposit a little bit amount of money, and on BitGet you get still up to $8,000 in free bonuses, also only if you sign up with my specific link here, guys. And of course, if you want to make money on a daily basis with me, then also join the free Telegram channel and my VIP signals. There we are crushing it regardless of the bear market, because we are trading in this high volatile market and taking advantage of the possibilities that are out there. And also my short position I'm gonna post in the free Telegram channel. The links for that are in the description below or in the pinned comment under this video below. Guys, that's it already for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.